Welcome to my channel, my name is Boy, and today I'm gonna show you how to change the color of your timeline on Final Cut Pro. Very simple, but not many people know about it.
Little boy, you gonna learn.
Click with 2 fingers and then you're gonna go to Assign Video Roles, Edit Roles. It's gonna pop up this Roles for Library. Here, as you can see, video roles and audio roles. Let's do orange B roll, more A roll. If you wanna change the colors of the one that already exists, just press this and you see that we have all these different styles and colors. Okay, you can create more with the same color if you want. Video and B-roll now are the same color, but I don't really recommend, so you can have all these options and everything is very nice. See, audio the same thing. Let's say effects, capitals, let's say sounds, boom. Let's say I don't like this one, you can change the green for this one and apply, boom. Now let's say this is my B-roll. I'm gonna double click video roll, and then for video I'm gonna be able to see a roll, B-roll, and then when I apply, it's not gonna do anything. Why? Because we have audio. This way you have to select Ctrl Shift S to remove the audio of your clip. This way it's gonna be just a video. That's how you're gonna be able to apply the effect. Audio roll, I want to apply music, boom, it's in my timeline, it's already good to go. But if you want to separate, Ctrl Shift S, it's gonna go down, but the clip goes back to blue. But let's say video roll, let's put just a roll, boom. Text adjustment layers, you can do everything that you want. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope they learned something today. If you like short, straight to the point tutorials just like this one, make sure to subscribe, leave your like and comment. This way you're gonna be able to support me a lot. Thank you very much again, and I'll see you in the next video.